Guys, today I will talk about chemistry of nanomaterial that we choose to present to you. The product that we choose to present to you in this video is water repellent. Water repellent spray is a product that meant to enable a fabric or a surface to repel the water. In order to make the water repellent spray, we use silicon dioxide. What is silicon dioxide?
Silicon dioxide is an oxide formed by Si4 plus and O2 minus. The compound is mostly found in the crystalline form, for example, quartz. Other than that, SiO2 can also be found as an amorphous solid or other crystalline form. As for the chemical structure and properties, silicon dioxide is not a very reactive compound. This is because Si forms two double bonds with oxygen. Moreover, it has a high dielectric strength that is used as insulator and semiconductor. The chemical formula is SiO2. The molar mass is 60.08 gram per mole. The appearance for amorphous is transparent solid. For powder, white or whitish yellow. The density is 2.65 gram per mil. The IUPAC name for SiO2 is silicon dioxide. It also has the other names that are quartz, silica, silicic oxide, silicon IV oxide, crystalline silica, and also pure silica. The melting point is 1600 degrees Celsius. The boiling point is 2230 degrees Celsius. SiO2 is insoluble in water and acid, but it is soluble in hydrofluoric acid. That's all from me. Thank you.
The manufacturing process. Silica is converted to silicon by reduction with carbon. Fluorine reacts with the silicon dioxide to form the silicon tetrafluoride and oxygen. Silicon dioxide will react with the hydrofluoric acid to produce the hexafluorolysic acid. Hexafluorolysic acid is used to remove or pattern the silicon dioxide in the semiconductor industry. Basically, in under normal conditions, silicon does not react with the most acid, but it dissolved by hydrofluoric acid. Silicon is attacked by bases such as aqueous sodium hydroxide to give the silicate. Silicon dioxide acts as a Lux float acid, being react with the bases under certain conditions. As it does not contain any hydrogen, it cannot act as like a brusted lauric acid. While not soluble in water, some strong bases will react with the glass and have to be stored in the plastic bottle as a result. Silicon dioxide react in a heated reflux under dinitrogen with ethylene glycol and N-alkali metal bases to produce highly reactive pentacoordinate silicates, which provide access to wide variety of this new silicon compound. The silicates are essentially insoluble in all polar solvent except the ethanol. The silicon dioxide react with elemental silicon at a high temperature will produce the silicon dioxide.
Hi guys, I'm going to talk about the benefits of silicon dioxide nanoparticles. Silicon dioxide nanoparticles or silica nanoparticles, or also known as nanosilica, are the basis for great research of biomedical due to their stability, low toxicity, and ability to functionalize with a range of molecules and polymers. Other than that, the benefits of silicon dioxide nanoparticles are they can functionalize by bonding to molecules to a nanomaterials that also bond to another surface, such as cotton fiber. They attach to the cotton fiber and form a rough surface. The surface is hydrophobic or water repellent. It is the same effect of water repellency of lotus leaf. Next, I'm going to talk the disadvantage of nanosilica. Unlike metals such as gold or iron, nanosilica is the poor conductor of both electrons and heat. Other than that, the disadvantage of nanoparticles is inhaling silica dust over a long period can be serious. This exposure and disease can primarily occur in workers in construction or steel industry. It can lead to issues in the lungs such as silicosis, lung cancer, or increasing the risk of tuberculosis.